joint family versus nuclear family. So thank you to allowing me first. I support joint family. We all know about the family because we all can't think survive without family. Family is very important role. Family have a great important role in our life. So with family we can live very happily. There are two types of family: joint family system and single family system. It is also known as nuclear family system. Joint family system is old system. It is also Indian culture system. So I support in joint family system. Joint family. What is joint family? Is that their grandparents, parents, uncle, auntie, and their kids are living in under one roof. So they live with happy and happily. They support each other. They always stand behind of every family members. But in nuclear family, there is only one parent and their wife and their kids. So there is very small family. But in consider of nuclear family, joint family is very huge family. Okay, good morning, guys. Today is our debate, and our topic is joint family versus nuclear family. And we are supporting nuclear family is good because this is a Western culture, and nowadays all people are following Western culture. And in nuclear family, father, mother, and their kids live. And in nuclear family, there is a fully freedom to all that they can do any type of job and they can survive easily and their student can nuclear family we can find mainly in cities so their children can also go in good schools and in nuclear family the father and mother both is doing job their children can be going more high facilities in school so they will in future they will be a successful person so that nuclear family is good for our life. But in nuclear family there is not grandparents. If father and mother both are doing job, children are alone in their house and they don't study and they always play online games and always play or watch TV. And in the joint family there is grandparents, uncle, aunt, so they play outdoor games and it keeps their physical and mental health good. But while the mother and father both go to job, their children also go to their school. And when they come, there is a servant, so they take care of them. And but you are talking about physical and mental health. All the joint family persons are living in mainly village, so they can't study properly, and they only play outside or inside in mud, or they got many infections and things. Family members are blood relations, so they always want to progress yourself. But servant and other home taker are not family members, so they do only their work. So they cannot guide proper to their honor skills. Or for their value. Yes. Okay. First of all, joint family, there is a nuclear family. There is privacy concerns in joint family, but it is not in seen in nuclear family. But the joint family are many. Yes, next. But the joint family are many more supportive, like manual supportive, emotional support. But in joint family, only one person earn money. Like one is doing any good job, so other think that my brother or my sister is doing good job. So I will not do job. They only do farming. And if they are going to attend, they are going to make their own nuclear family in city. Then they will be their they got many financial support. So joint family is bad. No, but in nuclear family that you said that what you said that okay yes that nuclear family go to city and live, but that I already said that if there are no parents, so they don't study, and in joint family there are grandmothers, uncles, and their parents, brother or sister. So they always want their cousin, their nephew or cousin, nice, yes, but study better. No. And not. But he want to tell that in nuclear, sorry, joint family, the children study more and more because there are a lot of parents and let me I will oppose this point. But in joint family, all children live together, so they start only and if one is studying,
he or she only also want to play with cousins and
Okay.
go outside in village.
Okay, in joint family, there are like we told, there are grandparents, parents, and there are many children of their uncle, aunts, and everyone is supporting whenever they needs. Okay, so if there are cousins, they support. If there are elder, they support the younger in studies, in also like love to play together. But in nuclear family, there isn't like thing. If there is one children, they involved in like online gaming, they are involved in other activities which we don't want to supposed to do with by our parents, because nuclear family, everyone is, if mother and father both are working, then who will look after their children?
Definitely.
They're involved in many other activities like gaming.
Yes.
Okay, which is very harmful for their growth and also. So this
Not
is
only gaming, they are also gambling and many more drug addicted and a love affair because there is no any look after look after parents.
correct.
But in a joint family, there is more eyes behind of him.
Okay, so there one point that in joint family there are so many people and love to play together, and I want to say that they love to also quarrel on some small things. So there are conflict arises in a joint family more easily, and that is not in case of a nuclear family. Because in nuclear family you play with brother and sister, so there are less quarrel, and the quarrel also happened in a joint family over money and something, because someone say that someone is not giving or collecting proper money to run this family. So the in joint family, this is in a nuclear family, this is not a case. So nuclear family is good because nuclear family generally you will found in city, in urban areas. They tend to live in a small, and if they want to visit, if they want to love our grandparents, they will visit village. So I think nuclear family is good because it is the modern world, and nuclear family, joint family doesn't survive. You see that joint family dismantle or because of conflict generally. There are small conflict, land conflict. There are different types of conflict in a joint family, and the world is moving towards joint nuclear family. So nuclear family is good.
Okay, I want to oppose your point. Like you said, they like to stay in
Please listen
cities.
carefully, everybody.
Okay, they like to stay in cities, but they are forgetting the Indian culture, traditions. They are all forgetting about like to respect parents, grandparents. They are accommodated in cities, and they don't want to go like in village. If there are village, like grandparents or parents are living, they are forgetting them. They are not respecting. Just living in the cities area, and they are involved in their life and their household and their work. They are not even supposed to do like look after their parents. They are telling we are not supposed to do. We are living in a cities and their own flats and their own house. They are not take caring of their people, their children, or there are many more things. And we know India is our culture, but they are forgetting their culture, and this is not good for like our family.
Okay, I want to strongly oppose. You said that nuclear family forgetting their cultures. First of all, what is culture is like rivers. What rivers do? River bring fresh water with rocks and beds. Culture also brings something new, and some must be forgotten. Outdated practices, tradition, and what is culture means civilizational heritage. We pass one generation to another. So I don't think nuclear family doesn't forgetting culture. It's just changing some outdated practice. Yes. And
Sister?
children learn like good manner, social skills, and traditional. And children elder share life experience. And
Good.
but joint family.
Giving chance. That's what I do.
But in
There is no need of giving chance, but I will give you chance. Either we are speaking. Please say something.
Nuclear family is good because all freedom and no anything want no want I want to think no thing and in any freedom and There are lots of disadvantages of nuclear family. There are no emotional support, they are not financial support, they are not respecting their elders to young girls. They are involved in their own area, their own life. They are not also respecting also grandparents. Also, if they need any, whenever they need to be a financially support, like someone lost the job and someone have don't have money, they don't want to be they will not get any emotional support because they are only one or two, mother or father or their children. And if they are staying away from their parents or grandparents, they also like don't how to discuss with them because they are staying away from them. So there is the disadvantages of nuclear family.
Nuclear
Because
family
no,
look
at
like just
night,
like selfies.
yes,
No,
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 at
no,
night,
But joint family look like a mini forest.
Yeah.
Nuclear family is
And at night, mother and father take care of children and responsibility.
who will take care in the day?
nuclear
They-
You are
family.
saying at night.
Nuclear family, nuclear family,
Not
they
even
have,
at night.
they have
they went to 12 a.m. School and home to servant. At night, I would take care on.
I want to add one point.
Incomplete.
Yes, yes, complete your sentence. I'm going to add here.
At night, take care of मतलब कि children.
Yes,
But servant,
but let me add one point to that. Because of a strong financial condition in nuclear family,
Yes.
they try to hire servant
Servant.
so to look out children. There is no need to
If
no,
they-
but
No.
but servant only
Yeah.
take
Ca-
care
ca-
because they are earning money, not in real way. They only work for money, and grandparents not work for money. They are
At some point
they are
in this.
they are have their blood relations, and they always take care of them.
And important
Yes,
note,
you want to add some point.
Well, is
just let me add point.
but joint family uncle just like your best friend, and the grandfather also your best friend. They just care yourself and himself, and that time.
Listen carefully.
That time he can study and play her to her.
Yeah. Now speak.
If any person live in nuclear family, if they want to call to take care of his child, they can take leave for his job for 1 month, or they can also call their child's grandparents for 1 month or 2 months.
in nuclear, as you said, in nuclear family, if both are working, you told like they take to leave. It's not an easy for
Yes.
any job. They usually can't get leaves and then so they are dependent on their servants or their nanny or you can say. Okay. So this is not good for their children or for their well-being. And there is a if there is a joint family,
Okay.
if there is a joint family, whenever they need, they grandparents or parents or there must be a aunt or uncle. If they need, they will take care of their. So taking a leave is not an easy for any job, whether the government job or private job. So it's not an easy task.
Servants are coming from poor background and they have very bad activities. So they put the activities to their child. So this is not good for.
No, but in after time is some servant is bad things is learning in the children,
Yeah.
but is some servant is learning for new skill in children. Like every some servant is
Good.
every time learning in every time reading
Yeah.
and timing to food, and every time is supporting to servant. But you say that sometime, but sometime is not. Sometimes some servant, some servant is not good. More servant. But in joint family system, more family. Okay. But
Servants are coming
one second. In joint family system, is all parents is not take caring his children.
Yeah.
Why?
And
The
if
grandparents,
any
they
person-
always
Explain.
take care.
Let us learn.
More than in joint family, in people is not care for children like in
They
Problem-
every time
jealous.
yeah,
Yes,
and
and
every
father-
time fighting to each other in the joint family culture,
Yes.
like a property.
Property.
Good.
the
Right.
joint
Yeah,
family-
let me complete. Let me complete. Now, you
I
are.
have to add
Yeah,
some more
I will
points.
tell you.
No,
More than-
after high up, please. Now.
But the joint family are the family each other fighting, solve each other. But the nuclear
No,
family,
in
Right,
joint-
right,
it's
after-
yes,
but
Listen,
nuclear
Please
family,
listen.
each other fighting, and that position this is divorce.
Divorce. Very good point.
and you said that there is fight between in joint family, but there is
Joint
also
family-
fight in nuclear family.
Yes, and they can
And
fight, and
brothers
that
also
position
fight.
they can divorce.
Okay, in
If
joint
my
family
father
fighting
want
to each other is solve to solving to in a village people is
No,
come to
no,
the
village people, only a family
like
people.
like
No,
sarpanch,
you are
mukhia is come to the
Why?
Yes.
In city which mukhia comes? In city which mukhia comes?
in
You
joint
are
joint-
you is telling that nuclear family live in
Yeah,
city.
yeah.
in joint family
Don't
people
blame
is some people is living for city and some more than people is living for village.
He was telling that nuclear family lives only in city. Why you are changing your topic? You all were telling that
We all know the proverb, together
Nuclear
we
family.
raise and divided we fall. So joint family is a great example to grow up because there are Ambani family, Tata, Birla, and many more who are joint family, Remote, and many more companies are huge family and they grow up with their business very well. But there is very single family and not grow as well
No,
as
but-
joint family.
But joint family cannot grow because in village area, all people not earn money in a family, so they cannot grow properly. And I want to add one more my one point that in joint family, if any person want to buy any vehicles like car, they cannot buy it easily because there are many persons. So if they have to go anywhere, there is lot of problem. There is lot of problem, but in nuclear family, those things, if any person want to buy, they can buy easily.
But
And
you are-
they have to not take permission with anyone.
but you are wrong because but you are wrong because in nuclear family there is only one person, mother and father. If
It is
they are-
very easy
if
to
they-
buy a car
But
for
if-
joint family.
Yes, because in nuclear family, if they both work, so they 2 hours and 2.
There is an alternative option if they want to go
Why
like
not?
whole family. There is no need of one car. They want to supposed to go buy one car. Okay, there has many alternative
Alternative
options.
option.
So this is not a good point. I think so.
And I want to oppose
Yeah.
also. And you said that in nuclear joint family there is family and they don't able to buy car. But in joint family there are more members in family and they can add money and collect money and they can buy car. And in nuclear family there is only 2.
Let him Rajesh.
In joint family
You
people-
said yes, Ambani family like successful, but nowadays
Yes.
Joint family.
joint family is not successful, but because he is not richer than joint family is successful because he is rich, and when a middle class family is not successful.
You don't speak that this point because
No,
you are opposing us.
I said nuclear families is a joint family is not successful when he is rich. When the middle class family is not successful, like jealousy type.
Yes, in joint
Yeah.
family, all many people are jealous,
Yeah.
jealous.
Yeah.
And if any person are doing job and suppose that they both are mother and father are doing job. Suppose that in joint family, and if they have leave their child at home and they have go to job, they don't and they are, if they are their uncle and aunt are jealous for some land or some money, they don't take care of their nice or nephew. So they will not feel better, and sometimes grandparents also don't support.
Okay, but you said that uncle aren't jealous, but there are also grandparents they don't jealous because they are elder, they are to die, and they are not greedy for property, so they take
Okay,
care of their
okay.
grandparents.
Yes,
Grandson.
why was only 15 minutes, man? 15 to
20 minutes.
Yes. We are going to support joint family and we are going to support nuclear family.
Joint family is good because
Why you want to start?
joint family is good because
Let him,
Let the other members to speak as well.
let him speak about joint family is good for the society.
Now
We
the
are
topic.
doing vice versa.
Speak on
Sir, I have two more points.
Yes,
No, no,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
your topic is changed. Our
Why-
topic is nuclear.
I have one.
No, no,
Let's skip that.
Okay.
Okay, joint family.
Yes,
Yeah.
let him speak the benefit of joint family in a society.
Okay, joint family are very good, and the joint family it makes supported all over things supported like financial and studying and marriage and all other things supported. So joint family are big family, and big family is called rich family. Uh, mm, and joint family are caring uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, and also family member.
Okay, yes, but
Nuclear family is good because nuclear family is a small family and including the parents, father, mother, and kids live in one room. And nuclear family is more privacy as we compare the joint family.
but in joint family, if any child or any person is ill, they will be supported as for whole family. But in nuclear family, only there is servant or they all mainly both parents are doing so.
We don't want to give the silent. Other don't want to speak.
And so joint family is good.
no,
But nuclear family is good because some parents are both in the job and their children are the higher education and learning new skill and many types of things.
Yes.
That's like nuclear family is a good family.
yes, and they are
And
living
one more I think I that don't speak while looking in.
Yes.
He is going to please
Look at others.
look others. While you are
And
speaking.
okay. And in nuclear family, they live in cities, so they achieve success, and they get more better education than village, because in village there is government school, and in government school there is not
No.
good education.
Who says that nuclear joint family or joint families children go to government school only? There are private school everywhere. So that is not a good thing to say that it's not true.
And we
No,
cannot-
but in village there is always surrounding of jealous, greed, and
Yeah.
always surrounding of fighting. So children in joint family always
Who
fight.
says you that joint families only live in village?
Yes, we can also
Yeah.
find joint family in
Who says?
cities as well.
Yes, see, yes, he is right. City is as well. Joint
In
family.
city, they
What is joint family? Joint family is where there multiple generation live in a house. That is the. It is not
All over
about who lives.
places.
Yeah, in any place, city, village, in all place, in any place.
Okay,
Not
there are
only say village.
Yes.
yeah.
there are many reasons of conflict if there is a nuclear family. Okay, sorry, if there is a joint family. But if we are telling about nuclear family, there are only mother or father, okay, and their children. There are no anything conflicts. There are no like land conflict.
talking
There are
anything.
no members like other
Hey,
aunts or
listen.
uncles or their cousins. They used to quarrel with each other for their property and many more things. They are not only the property in case. There are some household reasons as well. They used to fight, but there are no reasons to conflict in a nuclear family. And also they get the privacy if they want to do, if they want to achieve anything in their life, they can do. Okay, so this is a good thing for nuclear family, and this is also advantages.
You all have to speak.
Speak.
But in badly situation, joint family easily pass the situation, but in nuclear family, so not not any supported, and
In
In bad situation,
trap in
nuclear
bad
family not
situation,
survive.
trapped, and trapped situation, trapped. Grab me, grab.
Trap.
mainly
Yeah.
live in
I don't
So why
understand
he
your
is
point.
speaking mainly living?
Try to speak.
I'll try to.
Yes.
we can also
But
find an
in joint family, any badly condition,
Please listen, everybody,
is
carefully.
easily passed.
Be a
Easily
good listener.
remove the bad situation. All families stay together and easily pass badly condition.
Can I
But
reply?
in,
No.
No,
Sir,
he
no,
is
no, no, no.
expressing his point.
Yeah,
but in nuclear family, so one situation is badly conditioned situation not easily passed
Yeah.
because any supported, no any person is supported. He is a single person. He is अकेले.
Yes.
We are
Can
alone
I-
are part
No,
of
there
the
is no need.
situation.
I understand.
Understand?
Understanding, that's definitely.
But
Yeah.
who want to oppose?
But the joint family is more than 10-15 members. There are many enemies. But
Okay.
nowadays there are nuclear family. They are only for parents, just like mother, father. There are no more enemy, just like doing job and happy.
No, there is more enemy in
Without
nuclear
gardener,
family.
without
Okay.
gardener,
Let
garden,
me oppose him.
garden is not beautiful.
Without gardener,
Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, joint
okay.
family
I
10,
want to tell
15
that
member
Speak carefully.
village other people fighting, so joint family any member supported by nuclear family other member fighting.
Put out your jacket.
Okay, what
And,
is
There is
okay?
more enemy in nuclear family.
I want
Okay,
to
what to say, like nuclear family, there are mother, father, and like children. But this is, we can't say there are no parents or grandparents. There may be, but they are living in cities in nuclear, like nuclear family, mother, father, or their children. Whenever they need the elders or maybe their grandparents must be support whenever they need. So it's not the case their only mother, father are living in their cities. That means they are not grandparents.
and
I want
okay,
to
I want to tell that in nuclear family there is not
Please.
Let's
always
listen, everybody.
okay. In nuclear family, not all parents are working. Like you also said that in nuclear family, father and mother both do job. But in nuclear family, there is also only father do job or only mother do job. So they one is going to job and one take care of their children.
There are more enemy in nuclear family because
Yeah.
I am opposing his point because in a nuclear family sometimes mainly both parents do job, so the children is alone at the home. They can go outside of the home and do fight with anyone. So if that is very bad and if they make their enemy and in future they fight with their parents and that they make their more enemy than joint family.
Who said that in nuclear family children
Joint
go
family
outside
children
and
not
go-
each other fight.
okay
They can
okay.
fight in always
And
like
who
they
said-
fight in like a squad.
Okay.
Yeah. Squad you are here for guild war. Not
No.
talk about game. They can always fight on. They can always fight
Why
on
you are
all of them
talking on
together.
game?
Why you are coming in game?
Okay,
You are
you said
talking.
that
No.
In nuclear family, all members are self-dependent. Like father, mother, and also their kids are self-dependent. They know their rules and their habits, and they follow their rules and habits on the according to rules. But in joint family, they have no any rule plan, no any timetable, and so they gossiping, involved in gossiping, and they play lots of time in their house.
and
But,
but in nuclear family concept of in elder person is don't respect in children.
Yeah.
And every people is not respect to elder person. Like in nuclear family people like mother and father is don't respect to in another person, and their children is not respect to in another person. Like in
I don't agree with you, sir. I oppose your point because nuclear family has always respect to all other person and their kids always listen, learn their the rules and good things from their parents. But in joint family, they are always quarreling, so they learn that type of thing from their family members.
Okay, I want to pose about
Sir,
work distribution. In nuclear family, chores are distributed among family members.
Yeah.
Like certain work is going to be certain chores going to be done by some member. But in joint family, that is not a case. Because if there are lot of chores, there are lot of family also to do work.
So thank you. You are
definitely, I agree with, but
nuclear
there is difference, sir. The in joint family, they are very more present in the females, but in a nuclear family, they all do their work. Not only one person female, they all do their work.
And also
so,
they can
so they are divided.
distribute
No,
their work
Their
between
work.
them.
So there is no importance to a single
But
person.
in nuclear family, only
That-
father
that
and
is the
mother
problem.
live
That is
with
the
their
problem.
children.
Yes.
So father go to work and children only
They know
study.
their roles and
Let me complete.
listen.
They
Yes.
know their rule. I agree with your point. This one, but the only mother works and sometimes servants work. Father is not leaving his job and coming to do job. Sorry, homework. Homework like cooking food. So
Yes,
you are wrong
this is
on
not
this point.
today's
Yes,
case.
Yes.
Father is also living in the house and also involved
One
in
more.
many cooking
Yeah.
household chores and
Yeah.
their mother and female is going for the job. So they are both supportive. If it,
Pronunciation is chores.
Sure.
Chores.
Sure.
okay,
Yes.
that's the correct pronunciation. We are talking about Vivek.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
So okay. So what I am saying, what you were saying. Yeah, I was saying that if father is also staying in home and also involved in many household things and also doing cooking and also helps in their children to study, to play and also involved in many things like they are learning from their father also if mother is going. So there is no case if only father is doing the work and mother is staying in the home. Okay, so they are both the case and also they can distribute their work between them if they want. So there are not a lot of burden with both of them.
Yes, I want to say that you say the work is distributed among family members in nuclear family. That is the problem here. If work is distributed and it is planned, if let's say one person or individual is not available, then work is going to be layered by one work. Then it is going to be collected. But this is not in case of joint family. Who is available? Anyone can done that certain work, and there is no going to work remain for another time.
In joint family, all children know many work. They also know if they are losing in study, they can also learn how to do farming with their grandparents. So in future they can be, if they be don't be so successful, so they can be a farmer and they can also open a shop and they can earn money easily. If in nuclear family they are not being successful in their life, so there is lot of problem to do job or in many conditions.
In today's era, today's era, modern technology is evolving. Okay, so if you are saying about like they involved in shopping, farming, etc. So if children is living in a nuclear family, they are get the space for their studies, for their future, for their growth. If they want to be a good entrepreneurs or their anything, want to be achieve some goals like if we say in example like 12 to 13 years old who are living in a nuclear family, they are successful entrepreneurs, they are learning the good skills, they are involved in AI. This is the modern of today's modern technology. So children are involving in their skills, they are learning the skills, they are improving their for future growth.
But
They're using their tabs and the parents are very happiness, they're proud of them. But in a scenario in joint family, they are jealous to grow up, to see the grow up with the other family
But
members.
Joint family is a concept of coexistence, where in joint family, people or individual learn from their peers or shared experience. They learn from others, but this is not the case of a nuclear family. You can't learn from others. In that, like in a nuclear joint family, there are a lot of people are surrounded you. You can learn something. You can learn their ideas. You can learn their intelligence. So this is a good for your own benefit for all for
future.
for your own characteristics. You can develop some more characteristics in your or some more intelligence in your
And
There
It all
are
depends.
there are lack of privacy for newly married couple in joint family.
Okay,
But
you talked about parenting, or there are many more parents or uncle auntie said. So it's all depend on family. What their parents wants to pass on their next generation, it all depends. Whether the joint family or nuclear family. So we can't categorize these things that we found only in joint family. Okay. So this is the thing of if parents is good, if they are providing good skills, they are passing on the good things for their children, they will be a good growth for future growth, and they will learn new skills, they will be involved in many good activities. So this is not a case only for joint family.
I want
But
to say
in-
only one thing. You can say that. Yes, we can categorize.
but in
How can we categorize? We can't
Coming up
categorize
with
these things.
Let her.
him,
Like
let him complete.
Joint family
Joint-
guardians have want to be boss. So they want to all need by fulfill and all follow my obey my order. But in nuclear family, there is no any boss. They all live and they all share their thoughts.
and they
But
both of
in
them
nuclear-
respect their decision as well.
But in nuclear family, the many families break their relationship with their villagers, parents, and their brothers and sisters, and they live in a city, and their children got mobile from childhood, so they don't use their phone as on study purpose, because many parents, all parents, mother and father have gone to the work, so and they only play online games and only use social media, and they don't focus on studies,
Okay.
and so they will there is a lack of discipline, and they will be not they won't be a successful person in their life. But in joint family, they don't get phone for childhood.
Try to be short and
Yeah,
But-
yeah.
don't expand on
I
many
know, I
things.
know.
Okay, nuclear families are good and freedom, okay? But in COVID-19, so nuclear family are alone because not supported other people, not supported other people, and in joint families are all peoples are supported in all over situation, financial and all over situations are together. In COVID-19 was nuclear family in nuclear family staying alone, but joint families are
Yes, you are
And they also
you are talking about a
personal
specific
conditions.
condition, that is a pandemic condition that will not arise every
All are
time.
suffering from that
Okay.
condition.
Yes,
But-
everyone is
Not one
having
but
emotional
emotional
nuclear
problem.
family.
But they got emotional support as well. But joint family, do you know, nuclear family are on the money and save the money. We can COVID time
They can.
they can COVID time get the resource. But
I
on
want-
COVID time, the
I
all
want to
really
say-
all suffers.
And later, you said COVID time, and you
Yeah.
said that this is a specific situation.
Yes.
In this modern era, loneliness is increasing day by day. Because of loneliness, people are spending so much time in mobile phones and other activities and become addictive, like gaming or other things. That is why this is the need of the hour. Joint family is the need of the hour in this modern era. Yeah, and for our and for Indian culture to survive, joint family is needed. Like a Western culture, why nuclear? What is nuclear family? Nuclear family is influenced by Western culture. In Western culture, there is a concept of individualism.
Definitely.
This there is a I. But in Indian culture, there is no word of I.
But you tell that nuclear family person can earn more money and they can save money. But in COVID time, there was no many resources of shops were many shops were closed. So if they have money, what they can do? But in village, but in joint family, they have connection with their villagers, so they can
And
earn.
we are not
Okay,
going to.
I want to
But-
go your point. Only
minute.
one sentence.
Yes, why?
Let me.
We are not going to
Yeah.
let them speak.
Yes.
Okay, I want to
Who are-
oppose your point. Okay,
After-
after that.
after.
Okay, you talked about smartphones, they are getting addictive. But it depends on the person, what they want. If they involved in good activities, good things like in studying for their skills, for their skills growth, for future generations, if modern technology, everything is all dependency we are getting on online. Okay.
But
So it depends on the person, what they want, what is their needs. Okay. So there may be some cases, in joint family also addiction of phones, if they are getting the phone.
Okay.
Not in the nuclear
Okay, I
family.
want to say, you said that a specific, based on a specific condition, am I right? Individual, depend on individual.
Correct.
If you're going to eat a full plate of rice, your stomach is going to full. That is the case. Eat full. That is depend on loneliness. Modern era brings loneliness, and this is going to be, it is not a specific condition, it's going to be addictive on mobile phone. They are going to, because this is the biology of our human mind.
and
Human mind wants something to engage themselves.
Loneliness can be arise in joint
And you
family,
said
not
that-
in the case
No,
of
no,
nuclear
no.
family.
Loneliness is never case in joint family.
and you
I
tell
will, how it is arise.
Don't blame you,
If someone is like grandparents
Someone.
or other uncles or aunt may not be supportive. What if the person they want? What if suppose if there is female and if there is any problem like whatever the thing between their husband or with child, if grandparents or parents is not supporting, then there will be maybe a case of loneliness.
Yeah.
Not
Okay,
only in
don't
nuclear
talk
family.
about, let's talk about
Loneliness
practical
is the
situation.
case everywhere is present. Not only the joint
But it is
nuclear
very
family.
okay.
It's the case.
but we can find very less person those who want less children those who want to see educational things in phone, and they only want that no one is in my home, so I can play games that my parents will come at 5 p.m. so I will sit for studying for 4:30, and now I can play half an hour or 1 hour game, and they don't want to.
Okay.
Keep short and specific.
Okay.
There is talking
There are
about
lack of
loneliness.
privacy in joint family for all family members. Even they do not want to go themselves to any program. They want they have a compulsion to join their family. But in nuclear family, there is no any compulsion, no any pressure. In nuclear family, family members easy to go there anywhere, easy to come at night any time. But in joint family, there are every eye focus on him.
Lots of
Taunt him, the guardian, why you come there, why you do matter to him, why you do that job, why do that, and everybody, they are yourself.
There are
So
lots
they-
of restrictions.
Yeah.
I want to
That is I am going to add your point to her point about loneliness. This is that's why loneliness arises in a person. When someone is not near you to talk about your what happened in your school or what happened in your jobs, you just kept that word in your mouth or situation that like someone insulted you in your office.
Okay.
You don't have in nuclear family there is no one to talk certainly.
Okay.
But in joint family there are grandparents. Believe me, grandparents is a friend of yours in that age.
Definitely.
They don't have much work. They just think they are going to listen you.
They are more
And suddenly
experienced.
they are going to give you a precious advice.
Yeah.
And suddenly we have to be develop some feelings and emotional to deal with that situations. And your point.
Yeah.
So interrogating.
Yeah.
Interrogating is a good thing. In some way you say that someone breaching my privacy, but it is a good thing. Sometimes you don't want to let them interrogate you, but after that after sometimes that happen, then you will say that yeah, that is a good thing, that is a good experience, because in interrogating there are many things come from your mind and you are going to be relaxed.
Who have left, please want to say?
Okay, I will add one point. Okay,
No, please,
there
please,
is a
please,
case
please,
of imposing the things in
Anybody
joint
want to
family.
say?
If someone is
Can you go?
interrogative, if there is a parents or grandparents must be maybe there be
I know.
forced their decisions. Okay, so they if a male or female partner if they are not good with their decisions, they are imposing, they are forcing. Then there could be loneliness if they don't want to say about their opinion. So they may feel like loneliness. They may be feel like they are not getting support from their parents.
Who have left, please say.
Loneliness is not the case.
This may feel for some time.
Anybody have want to
Let
say?
them speak.
This side, please say something.
Please add
Do
one
you have
more
any point?
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
I think complete.
Also. Anybody have want to say?
Excuse me.
Listen.
Thank you all.
Very good. You have no any point, sister? You have not speak a single sentence in any that side and that side.
Completed.
Yes, sir. You have
It's
completed.
all right. Anyone has not spoken?
Yeah, definitely.